Hello everyone, Glenn from Bearcat Tyres. Today I'm just going to do a quick video on how to understand the differences between a wide and narrow metal piece. Our Camso product in some instances has a narrow and wide track option. That comes down to the width of the guiding system for the metal piece. So it's not the actual overall width of the track, it's more how the metal piece is built to accommodate a different roller type. Now, a lot of tracks, particularly sort of 4 tonne and upwards, have a metal piece designed for a certain undercarriage. The undercarriage has a roller which we determine as a narrow roller or a wide roller, and we're talking about the bit that integrates with the track. So for instance, with these two tracks here, with the roller, the best way to understand the width of your roller is the area which it runs inside the metal piece. The best way to do that is just to measure the roller itself, measure across the roller, and that'll give us a good understanding about whether or not you need a narrow or wide metal piece. We can use that distance to check on your track size, whether or not the track we supply to you has got a wide or narrow metal piece to suit the roller you have. The other way to check is to get a measurement on the track itself. And the way to do that is to measure inside the metal piece again, through the top of the metal piece gap or the bottom of the metal piece gap. In millimeters, you should be pretty close, within 1 or 2 millimeters. If you can give us the distance that you're currently running on your track system, that gap, we can then use our guide to reference your track and your machine and double check if you need a narrow or wide running metal piece for your machine. It's really important because a narrow track system or a narrow metal piece needs to be specific to run well on your machine. If it's got a wide roller, we need to have the gap to allow for that wide roller to run inside that metal piece. So that's the best 2 ways for us to help you make sure that you get your right Camso track for your machine.